How to choose leave at door delivery option in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can choose leave at door delivery option on Uber Eats. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to log in into your Uber Eats account either from the application or to their official website, that is ubereats.com. Once you're here, make sure to sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, now you have to head over to so first of all, let's get logged in into the account. So once you're signed in, add your items or your favorite items into the cart. And once you added your items onto the cart, you have to head over to your carts and then click on checkout whenever you're ready. After that, on the checkout page, you will find an option as delivery instructions or drop-off options. So look for search options, and once you see it, you will also find an option as leave at door or no contact delivery. You have to tap on it, and if needed or if it is asking you to provide a note, you may also write a note like leave at the gate or do not ring the bell as well. Once you do that, all you have to do is just place your order and you are done. Now the delivery person will leave it safely at your doorstep. That's how you can choose leave at door on the Uber Eats. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.